I hope this is recording this time. My phone is messing up. This is Don Wells. Let's go October 3rd, I think it was. Oh, I can't do it that way. Okay, go back. Some of the weird stuff he has on here. I never saw this. That Daryl Jacob used to bother me. I don't know. I should send you a little Louise he mentioned like you. What is this? Can I look at it? Don Wells. Yeah, they're all nuts. Send some of them crazy women my way. You don't want these. Huh. Daryl Jacob. What is this Daryl Jacob? 16 recovered. Why can't you send me a woman? I'll take a triple C. What the hell? Summer of Satan's Fall, you think? What is it? I gotta be watching this. Hold on. Somebody must see what? How long is this? 7 minutes? I hope this is videotaping. It is, I think. We're missing something. Let's see something. Yes, no, yes. I'll go back and look at this stuff. Now I want to look at more stuff. But I came on here on purpose. I know that Daryl Jacobs is on here. Grandis hit the road because she knows the boys will tell. More lies from Don. I'm just looking. What? Yeah, you guys should read that Ellen White. Who's from Assassin from Mary Man? That's Melissa? Candace accused Jose first, and it couldn't have been for kidnapping. Who's this Melissa Robinette? I don't know, you guys. Something's not right with this lady either. Sorry that I'm on here. Who's this guy? Pray someone read it. It's a tribute to Richard, 9 months today. Someone will dearly miss him. Richard who, I wonder? I don't know. Something's up with this guy, too. Something. Missing person? What the hell is that? Oh, never mind. It was crazy looking for a minute. Why is he shaving their head? That looks like, I don't know, you guys. This is weird. Richard Honecker. I'm going to write that down. Gross. I don't know. But, let's go back to Don. There's something's really weird and fishy about this. I'm going to have to look it up. Really? Something's not is fishy about this, you guys. And then he was shaving that little girl's head. I don't know. Why does he have a baby doll? Look at this little girl. She looks fucking scared as hell. I'm saying something. Yeah, she must be part of it too. I don't care if they read my shit. This is really strange to me. Too many pictures. And a baby doll? That guy's just creepy to me. That might be his daughter. I don't know. But they were talking to Don and Candace. Weird. I don't really care about watching these videos. I'll look him up afterwards, but this lady's strange. Let's get shit out of me. Okay. You're obsessed with a murdered man. For your information, Candace accused Jose first. Okay, we read all these. Your man, Don, doesn't think the kidnapper should go to prison. What do you think? If it was your son, go watch his videos or ask him. Alright. Wait. Fuck. I'm trying to go back to the whole thing. Alright. This is what I wanted to show you guys. What is that? He's posting on this? Who is this person? I don't know. Let's go back to him. And I'm going to show you them. This is, I wanted to show, the whole point was me showing you the video. What the people are saying isn't there, is there. Or isn't, watch. Here it is. Let me try to find the fucking part. And he's got a little girl there. Is this the part? No. Wait. Yes, it is. No, it isn't. Come on, Don. Show me where it is. Oh, it's coming. Where the fuck is it? I'm gonna find it on here. I know this is the video. I'm just tired. This stuff. Where the hell is it? It's on this video. And that little girl, too. damn it. Maybe it's not this one. Maybe it's a different one. Maybe it is a different one. Oh, let me see. Go, kitty. Fuck, where is it? I'll just shit with Daryl Jacob. No, where's that fucking video? He put another video up. It has to be that one. But, hang on. I was trying to find it too quick. I know this is the video, Jennifer. There it is. Yep. I found it, guys. There it is on his video. Alright, there's the body. I wish you guys could see it. Hold on. How do you get this off here? Open big. Alright, there it is, you guys. He showed it again. Watch. There it is. He's showing it. There it is. I'm screenshotting it and showing you again. Look at his fucking videos. Come on, screenshot that shit. There it goes. And I'm going to show you when I'm done. If you don't see it right now. He's showing it right there. There's the body all the way on the right hand side, coming on the string, on the yeah. And it's not pareidolia, or whatever the fuck you guys want to call it. He did this on himself, all by himself. This piece of shit phone. Oh my god, it's making me mad. Look, right there, right there. Let me see if there's any more. Right there. Watch. He goes up in there. There it is. Right there, you guys. Right there on the right. I'm going to pause it. It's hard to see, but you can see it. And it's not part of pareidolia. They're showing you on purpose. Can you see it better now? Wow. It's right there. Go up again, Don. Come on, show us again. Right there. I'm going to go the other way so you guys can see it. I can't believe he's doing that. It's right there. Right fucking there. Unbelievable. Alright, here. Let me show you. So go to his channel and find it. I have so much more to show you. I'm so tired. Alright, let's go. Photos. You saw I screenshotted it. My phone ain't working. Oh gosh, help me. Just give it a minute. Hopefully it works in a minute. Photos, come on. Wow. I hope this is recording. Yes, it is. Thank God. Alright, well, I have to go to photos. Alright, how about this? Can I get up in the internet? I have it saved here. And then I'll go in the pictures. It won't let me fucking get it. Bookmarks. I want to read this to you. Oh man, come on. Oh, here we go. This is the Epstein's temple. This is the world. Remember Epstein? Okay, this is what I want to read to you. Wake up. The truth is finally coming out. Open your eyes. I know it is horrifying to believe that these things are happening around us, but it's true. The Epstein story is not just about horny old men using young women for sex. As disgusting and as forgivable as that is, there is much darker and more evil part of the story that is public and not addressing the trading of human flesh and blood. See, you guys, I have so much to show you, and it's not letting me. Tell me that. See what I mean? Oh my god. I'm getting pissed. Especially if the young children is out of control, it must be stopped. Epstein's Island was used to provide the elite a safe and secluded place where they could keep little children in cages and chains and use them for sexual perversion, torture, and kill them. That is what they're fucking doing, you guys. That is why they're all over the place. There were hundreds of children's bones found in the water near Harris Temple. There were likely many more buried under the ground. Please, people, grow up and stop pretending everything is fine. It's not fine. The world is going to hell in a handbasket. Many little children, teens, and even adults are in a living hell. Please review my article. These are elites who rule the world. That is what we're trying to say. That's how big this is. They are possessed by demons who often manifest as reptilians. That is what is going on. This is no joke. Those demons have no heart, no love for humans, no conscience, nothing to prevent them from the most horrendous imaginable. You guys gotta read. I'm telling you. I gotta read all this. Yes, this is what's going on, you guys. They cut out everything you say, what you say. Hidden in plain sight, you guys. I gotta read these. Am I? Okay, well, I'll come back to do all this. I don't know if I'll be able to go on here. Alright, well that's that one. And actually I'll go back, see if I can go back and post that on the description. If I can, if it will let me. Epstein's Temple, look it up on Google, if not. Please. It's not letting me get it, you guys. You guys can screen, you know? That's ridiculous. Come on, it's copied, okay. Let's try to go back to the photos now real quick. I want to read more of this, but photos ain't coming up. Fuck. They're doing this shit on purpose. This is bullshit, I'm mad. Can I go on my pictures on here at all? Yes. Please. Nope. Oh, it's not found now? This is fucking ridiculous, seriously. Bullshit. Bullshit, bullshit, bullshit. It won't let me go on my fucking pictures. Do I have gallery or anything? I don't think I do. No, all I have is fucking Google Photos. Haha. Please, 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 please. Hurry up. These are the ones I just took, you guys. Body. Here, I'll take it and I'll edit it, circle it for you. Pen, markup, to black, right here. Right there, right there, right there. Done. Save copy. Watch. Right there. This is his videos. His. It's so hard to see, though. I know, until you see it. Right here. There you go. Don's videos. Don't tell me that ain't. It is. Clear as day. Right there. Clear as day. They did it on purpose. Showing you guys. Real quick. And then they have a thing on called Lollipop Preschool. And these poor kids are in fucking chains, you guys. If you don't see that, look. Look at his handcuffs. He got chains on his arms. Then I was on Likey, and I see kids and trains from UK. These little kids with red lipstick talking about yellow bracelets. When will you remove the staples? It's just, look at it. It's just nuts, you guys. Say 5 years old, yes, I know woman in the middle of best friend's gift. No offense, Russian, no, he is not a man. I don't know what that's about, but these little kids. What's in the background? Be aware of the yellow ribbons on hand. Yeah, that's just crazy. But this is what is going on. If you guys see, there's like spirits in the trees too. But yeah, this is the elites. And I know you're probably like, yeah, you can see it at the ropes. You can see it. Just look. Look, go to his video on Facebook, you guys. It's there. Thank you. I hope you guys get this.